Welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to install NodePlay extension on your mobile device with your Kiwi browser. So what you need to do is open your Kiwi browser, and if you don't have Kiwi browser, you can go to your Play Store and get your Kiwi browser, and the next thing is go to your NodePlay. You can see I have already have a NodePlay extension here. What you need to do is go to NodePlay extension on Chrome browser's web store. The next thing you need to do is you're going to see it here now. You just have to what you can see, this is the extension already here. Just come here and you'll be able to add to Chrome. Just click on add to Chrome, and this is it, node extension. Click on OK, and it is adding. Very simple. And note guys, I'm already on my desktop mode, so make sure you're on your desktop mode. I'm going to show you how to get your desktop mode here. Let's wait for the NodePlay to do. Okay, I think it is done doing. Okay, let's wait for it. So I'm going to show you how to switch to your desktop mode. And this is it. Just click on this your three-line dot, and sorry guys. Okay, I think I'm sure it's the cursor. Let me show you how to go to your. I'm going to stop this now. So go come here. When you come here, scroll up, and you'll be able to. Okay, you can. Okay, sorry guys, you can check one of our video, then you'll be able to check how to switch to desktop mode from one of our video. You can search on it. This is it. The NodePlay extension is already done on my phone. I'll just have to log in and do everything. I'll be able to access my account, and it's very simple. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share, and drop a comment. Thank you guys.